Is it a full moon tonight? Serious question. Because my dog is going crazy. And I don't know what's going on with my monitor here. What the fuck? Why is everything so small? Is it normally this small? Why is everything so small? It's not normally this small. Like all the numbers up here, the lettering, everything's weird. Am I zoomed out in the browser? Yeah, I don't know how to zoom in on the browser. Oh. Am I normally? Oh. Well, no, that's what I was doing on this. It's... I can't zoom in and out when I have it. Oh. There we go. There we go. We got the 15, we got the 20. Minute. The hourly or 2 hourly, the hourly little trigger wave. We're looking for this yellow cheese to not curve and flop over, but to increase. We might see a little curvature coming in. What happened? Tight trigger waves on the 2 hour. These are tight on the 2. I'd like to think we got more room than that. Do we have the best entry? No. Am I perfect? No. Are you? Hoping that we have a pop-off similar to the last 31. I'm looking for one of these pop candles right here. What time was this? 20, 23. We're kind of around that time, 23. So we're in that kind of time span. Although the yellow cheese is kind of working against us. This is resistance. This is resistance. Maybe it'll take through the weekend. We might have to get through the weekend. I don't know. Should I just take the 20,000? Should I just take the 20,000? This really ain't the best entry. This ain't the best entry. We might have to get out of this. Momentum is holding to the upside. It's holding to the upside, though. It's holding to the upside. For now. Like to see this 30-second turn to the upside. We got curvature on the 4-hour on the yellow. On that yellow. The 6-hour. Momentum increasing. Yellow cheese right here coming to the upside. We are certainly against resistance. We are against resistance. But do we want to sweat the nitty gritty? Do we want to sweat it? You know what I'm saying? Tough market right now. Tough market. We have repeating fractal. Repeating fractal. The target was slightly above this. We almost came to it. We're almost to it. Sierra move Phantom. I don't know what you're talking about. Unless you're talking about like the Google shit. I don't know. That shit just disappeared. Phantom. So I never used Solano. Time's going by. Time's going by fast. We're over halfway through the year. We got the Jake Paul Mike Perry fight. The Mike Perry fight. If you're a Florida goon or anywhere close, we'd appreciate your support. We got Nashville coming up. And also, I'm also, I think, going to to Rare Evo, whatever the hell that means. But I could change my mind. We're just kind of looking for that big green candle to show up. We're looking for a big green candle to show up. We're looking for a big green candle to show up. Make it easy. Make it easy on us. Make it easy on us. I didn't even realize what time it is. I feel like the days are so short and the nights so long. That's also because, you know, I wake up at, 3 o'clock. It's been a busy past few days. I'm not really looking to scalp. I'm happy with what I've been doing lately. Lamb chops. Just taking chops. I'm liking these big moves, these bigger money trades, the bigger moves. We're gonna see if you know, we got to we're gonna have to fight off this momentum. Hopefully this momentum drop isn't much of a drop at all. That's what we're kind of looking for. It's action time. I guess decision time. Do I cut it now? Take the 18,000 and hope it drops down. You know, the entry. This is, again, this entry ain't really that good. We're at the local top. Are you the one who sent me your katana pictures before? You really didn't send me good pictures, and I feel like it didn't even look that good from what I saw. What I want is a very nice Hanzo fucking sword that's shiny and slick and clicks when you sheath it. Yeah, what was that? Probably 57, 50. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I don't know, boy. I don't know, boy. Boy. It's at that point, though. It is at that point. Decisions have to be made. These just, am I really going to let this little momentum scare me away? Just this little momentum scare me away? Maybe. Trust the indicator? Well, the indicator ain't the problem. Myself is my own trust. Myself is the trust problem. It's judging the strength of this drop is what I'm trying to figure out here. If it'll drop at all, you know, is this gonna turn over and drop? And if not, how much? Is it just gonna be a little bit, you know? Or is it gonna be like one of these ones? The money flow is in the green. Shit, this was a fucking big one. The RSIs are a little different, little gap though. Fuck. I'll tell you what my gut's saying. I know what I'm thinking. I feel like I know what I should do. I know what I should do. Because they're better looking. The same people made Haikanashi candles that made this normal candles, the same Japanese bloodline. Is CPI tomorrow? Is PPI tomorrow? Is it PP time tomorrow? What is the CPI? I forget. There's so many damn CPs and PPs and... Yeah. The 3 hours got me feeling all right. Potentially. We got a little cross action, tough acting, and acting. It comes down to how much is $20,000 or $15,000 worth. Is it worth risking a better cushion of an entry? You know what I'm saying? Where were we? What do we want to put on? What do we want to listen to? You know what I'm saying? Rain. It's too late for music. Why don't we put on some Rain? Actually, you know what? We're going to stick with the Conan theme and add Rain. I'm going to open up my window. The Nazis moved a bunch of crypto to an exchange. Says who? I don't believe they took coffee out of the CPI. What they took was ground cans of coffee beans or some shit. That's what they said. They took out. It's a product that nobody buys anymore. Was the thing? It's not that they removed coffee from the CPI. It's that no one buys coffee grinds from a can. But I totally could be wrong, because isn't Folgers in a can? But there was like a certain size. I remember it being like a small can. Boy, that's kind of weird looking. This is an indented money flow. That's fucking weird looking on ETH. The 1 hour looks better on Ethereum. We got some real cross action, tough acting, tenactin shit going on. It's like one time frame will look this way, another time frame looks another way. Tough decision making. not very confident. What's up, Crown? What's going on, man? We're fractaling. We do have a fractal as we speak. Right here. Right here. That was fractal. I thought it was going to take a little more time as it cruised up. It would come, you know, like 58.5. You know, like a little, like just like this did right here and right here. But I see the 2 hour, and it's kind of squibbly squabbly. It's a little squibbly squabbly. That's kind of how it's been for the past few weeks. Really, it was the spider lines that had me confident in longing this area. It was the spider line. And we're right in the center. We're right in the center. Gee, when price go down, it's like we have bad idea. Price go up is good idea. I don't know, folks. I don't know. She might sell off here. She might sell off. We might have to just, you know, fuck. Probably, what are we down? 12,000? 15,000? We see momentum breaking down on the small time frames. 30-minute curving over. You know what? Listen, if it fucking pumps, it fucking pumps. Okay, maybe we can limit out. This is the time where actually limiting out's gonna it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough getting out of this. What am I long? I need to sell? There ain't no way. Son of a bitch. Just fucking market. We'll lower the risk. We'll lower the amount. Because of the fees, VJ. Now it looks bullish. Now I'm going to re-enter. I'd say it's a fair, you know, we fairly, you know. That's why I don't like, I want to get big moves. Big moves only. Big moves only. Big moves only. None of this little shit where I'm barely making anything off fees. If anything, the risk is killing me. Damn fees. These fees. $1.8, $1.9 mils good enough to kind of keep it there for, you know. I'm not just trying to make 10 grand and walk away. I'm trying to make, you know, big cheese. I'm trying to get some cheese. Got mouths to feed. Why don't I follow the leading indicator? Well, that's how I've made, what, $300,000 in the past week and a half? Looks like that even with the shitty entry, I was right so far. I mean, looks like I was right so far. You know what I'm saying? Ugh. Chewy. Boy, look at that 12-hour deep. This 12 hour is going to need some money flow to start curving back up. I'm liking this 6 hour. I am liking the 6 hour, but you know, sometimes the price can go in our direction, but sometimes we can't control how much. We can't control how much. I'm kind of not in the mood to go over long form question answering teaching shit right now. You know, it's the middle of the night. But it just looks better. It's better averages, man. I use both, bro. I use both, you know what I'm saying? But Hike and the She's use the average from the previous candle. And it's a lot easier to identify trends and shit. Boy, I tell you what, if I was Satoshi, I would have sold. I'd be selling. But who's to say? Maybe not. You know, I've held so many stupid projects and coins when I should have sold. You know, I you know, so, but boy, I tell you, if Satoshi Crypto Face today, if I was Satoshi today, I'd be selling the shit out of it. I will say this, you know, money flow is increasing. The flow of cash is to the upside. You know, it's kind of fallen off a little bit here, but if this can pick back up, we can see. We can see. We shaved off, what, a mil, 1.1, 1.2 mil, 1.112 mil. Reduce the risk a little bit. Entry ain't the best entry. You don't gotta tell me twice or thrice. S&P keeps going up, right? Damn, man, it just keeps on going, dude. Look at that. It just keeps on going, dude. Just keeps on going. You know, it's like every 2 years. Every 2 years there's a big drop. 2018, 2020, 2022. You know, could the end of year be the time? Could the end of year be the time the shit hits the fan? Is Nvidia coming back? Is Nvidia back up? Wasn't it down a little bit? Damn, it sure did. Damn, I knew I should have fucking swooped up some options on this. I was thinking about it when this pulled back, but I didn't. sugar's at kind of a nice bottom. This might have one more little teensy pull back. Maybe it pulls back down to 17. And we get the sugar high again. And it's gold down. Gold looking like the old Ether 2017, 2018 Ethereum bull runs. Money flow comes down. Momentum starts kicking in. And pew, pew. Ethereum 1 hour, not so bad. You guys are all talking about mixed results, so some of you guys are short, some of you guys are long. You know, we're certainly kind of at the top of this little structure. Boy, you ain't lying. Boy, you ain't lying. Kind of looks like, you know, it could just have another sharp drop. What's up, FD? Well now, boy, wow now. I just watched an interview with Nick Cannon a couple weeks ago, actually. That's why it was top of mind. Dude's got 12 kids to feed. It's a little weaky, it's a little weaky. It's a little weaky, we're at the top and cheeky. Just want the big moves, man. I don't want this little shit. But we might have to cut this. It's kind of too late. It's kind of too late. We can cover our fees and get the fuck out. I'm looking for nuclear launch detected. Makes sense, you know, it's dead center between our two main support and resistance alls. And the price action has been like that. One candle, one candle, one candle. You know what I'm saying? It's been one candles. The daily's keeping you bullish? I'm not really seeing what's so great about the daily. I'm not saying it looks bad. We are getting curvature pulling up. We are getting money flow pulling up. Man, I tell you what though, if we were to make a lower low and come down close to, like, you know, one of these, you know, like in this range, you know, if we came down to, what is that? 54, 55. If we came down to like 55 in here, make a little, just wick to like a lower low, a little wick, man, that would be the money entry for sure. If everything still kept on, looked like it was still cruising up, you know, the momentum was still kind of overall, you know, chilling. When was the last CPI? Last month? And fuck the CPI. Who no one cares about that shit. The 3 hour does look nice. I wish, you know, we kind of weren't at an end hitch here, but I don't know. This is just gonna have to take some more time. I don't know. It's gonna have to take more time. Gonna have to take more time. Gonna have to take some more time. What bull div, bro? What bull div? This right here? These two right here? That ain't enough, bro. That ain't enough. Maybe it is. Maybe it is.
Have you been behaving like you love
No,
her?
who are you? No,
Okay, you been spying on me, baby? What is this all about? Just
no,
let me
because
know.
you were lying. You didn't want me to
But
come up
baby,
here.
I love you.
Jamal,
I love you.
can you
What were you
explain?
doing-
Can
what
you
were
at
you doing
least
in
tell
You
there?
don't
her?
have nothing better else to do with your time, doc. What
Look,
do you
look,
do?
look,
Is this what you do
Jamal,
for a living?
Jamal, yeah, it is.
That's
it
what
is.
you do for a living?
We bring truth.
Oh,
And
is
this
that
is-
what
that's what
pay?
this
That's
is.
what pay you to do it? Here, there, here.
Boom. Is what they pay us to do. It's what they pay us to do. Sure beats a 9 to 5. Sure beats a 9 to 5. Boy, if I was Billy Greco, I'd be telling myself it beats a 9 to 5. Yes, I do this. Ruin people's lives.
Spying on me, baby? What is this all about? Just
No,
let me
because
know.
you were lying. You didn't want me to
But
come up
baby,
here.
I love you.
Jamal,
I love you.
can you
What were you
explain?
doing-
Can
what
you
were
at
you doing
least
in
tell?
He really means he loves her too. He's real. A man can love a woman, but still covet other women. Just because you love a woman doesn't mean that you want to chop your fucking testicles off for everyone else. He means it when he says, I love you.
You don't have nothing better else to do with your time, doc. What do you do? Is this what you do
Jamal,
for a living?
Jamal, yeah, it is.
That's
it
what
is.
you do for a living?
We bring truth.
Oh,
And
is that what
that's
pay?
what this
That's
is.
what pay you to do it? Here, there. If you need to get paid, that's what you do.
Jamal, that ain't enough
There,
money.
that's
to,
you.
That ain't enough
That is
money
you.
to have to do.
No, don't follow me.
Jamal,
Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Damn, we could use this face for some thumbnails right here. We got Jerry Greco for some thumbnail right there. Now come on, now pull up. Now where did we see? What is this? What day is it today? What day is it today? 24? 22? Okay, that wasn't it. We're on the 1 minute. That's fine. Yep. What day is it today? What? Oh, okay, 24. That's the year. I'm stupid. Okay. Man, this one broke down when it came down. You know, almost looked like, oh, it might be. But now, look at it now. But look at it now. You know? Look at it now. We can't make time go faster. You know, we can't make time go faster. You know? Can't make time go faster. But boy, I tell you, boy, we got a little something cooking on the 5, the 6 minute, the 5 minute. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. And when I mean, go on up. Go on up there, little doggy. Go on, little doggy. Go on. Go on, little doggy. Go on. I might be mad that I took a little off the table to lower risk assessment. I might be regretting risk assessment. What I really can't. I can't have not 2 on here. What do we got at? 1, 1, 5. 1, 1, 5. What is that? 2 Bitcoin? What we need? Oh, okay. Now we're at 2. There we go. And we're helping push the market. Damn right, I bought Bitcoin at 69,000. Man, we was making plain, bro. We were making plain at 69,000, man. I thought, man. I remember at 69,000, that shit seemed like it was gonna roar into the 80s, man. It seemed unstoppable. Do y'all remember that? When we were at 69,000? I remember I bought at 36,000 thinking I made a stupid move. Should have bought more. You get into Market Cipher Discord because you bought Market Cipher? I don't know what Market Cipher is. I don't think anything exists. There is no such thing as a Market Cipher Discord. There's a Market Cipher Discord with an I, but not Cipher Discord. All instructions are on the website. In fact, you just enter it in your dashboard on the website. You go to the Market Cipher website, log in, and it's in your back office. There's a little space that says Discord username. You punch it in with all the letters and numbers and bullshit, and you're in there in like an hour or something. Yeah, man, you know, we'll see. Hey, listen, that's 6 minutes. Hey, listen, we know we might have something. We might have something, but we're at critical levels. These are critical levels. And boy, does the mood swings. Is it me or is it just me? I feel like the low time frames, the 10 minute, the 20 minute, the 5 minute, they can look very bullish, and then when it goes down a little bit, it looks hella bearish, and it's fucking, you know. Hey, baby, here we go. Man, we shouldn't have trimmed anything. We should have just let it roll, boy. We should have let it roll. With some cream cheese. Please, mister, please. Get on now there. Get on now. Get on now. Let's see if this starts bleeding into, momentum's a little down, but that's all right. Boy, look at this tight trigger wave. Tight trigger wave. Beautiful, outwardly curved VWAP oscillation. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. 25 bull on the dual band strength and -5 on the bear. But is it going to be able to push through? Is it going to push through? I don't know. I do like that. What was it? The 2 hour with the super tight? Yeah. The 3 minutes? Look at that 3 minutes. We'll see. We're going to find out. Boy, I will say that, this is a very volatile zone. Pretty much every time we were in this zone between these two lines, the price slices all the way through. There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8. We'll call it 7.5, 8.5, 9.5. You know what I'm saying? So it takes time. It takes time. Some of them take time. Not all of them just go straight right through. It can take a little time. But we've taken some time here before. I'd like it. Come back up. Come up to the top. Come up to the top. Show that curvature coming down. Short it. Crock it. Bake it. Stir it. Sell it. Come on back up. Do it again and again. I would be happy if we did this for the rest of our lives. Stay in this zone for the rest of the life. Yeah, the lower time frames, super floppy, gropey. Super. Very floppy, gropey. Got a couple other messages. Couple more people withdrew from their funded account. They're saying they got funded. I've had one person message me with a complaint, and then after a couple days they eventually message me again and they're like, fuck, it was my fault, never mind, I was wrong. But boy, I tell you, if you're looking to be able to trade with a higher amount than what you can afford without having to be pressured under 100x leverage, if you want to trade with 100x without having 0.05% fucking drawback, go to the video channel, go to We Want You, and then here's the step-by-step with Breakout. We want you. So it is this video. It's kind of long. It's 30 minutes long. I'm long-winded. I still owe watches and shit. Gonna be doing Bob's watches. If you get funded, of course you have to sign up using my affiliate link, motherfuckers. Breakout Prop, man. Watch the video. It's 30 minutes long. It's kind of long. And then plus, you get to trade 5x on Bitcoin. So really, you're getting 500x your money. Just make 10%. Don't fucking lose more than 4 or 5% in a day. Then you don't get cut off. And we've had some new testimonials too, man. Here we go. Here we go. Did I read this one? Was this? When was this? I've had Market Cipher for more than 3 years. And even though I was confident, I was still making losses after losses and failing all of the challenges in Forex. I eventually realized that it's me who was stopping me to grow due to psychology issues. And with a funded crypto account, I was finally able to get a payout for the first time in 2 years. Boy, I'm telling you, because, man, when you actually have rules to follow or you get cut off, it totally changes your mental. It really makes you a like 10 times or more responsible. Way more responsible. When you know that if you lose a certain amount or fuck up a certain amount, that you get cut off, it changes you. It really does. And it makes you a much better trader. That a reason alone is enough to give it a shot. Even if you don't need the money, even if you're able to afford it yourself. Pretty sure you do get paid in USDT because I know we want to pay out in banks, but everyone who's withdrawn, they've gotten paid in USDT. So definitely about the mindset, man. It goes to show how much mindset matters. You know, again, you can win the lottery and in 10 years still fuck it off. If you lose every day like 3.9%, is there a problem? Well, yes, you have a total amount that you're there's a total loss and then daily loss, depending on which evaluation you do. One is like total loss 8%, and the other one is 5 or 6%. So yeah, you can't just lose 3.9% every day. I'm just saying that, you know what I'm saying? Why would you look at that? We are fighting. The yellow oscillation is fighting. It's fighting on the momentum. That's what we were looking for. A tiny bit, just a tiny bit, and then boom, right back. Hey, we ain't out of the woods yet. Time will tell. Time will tell. Time will tell. it's a drawdown from the current portfolio. So if you make, you know, if you get $100,000 account and you trade it up and it's at a 200,000 account, it's off that 200,000. But what I will say is, if you make, you know, 100 grand from a 100 grand account, motherfucker, withdraw at least half. You better withdraw, because if you get a $100,000 funded account, and let's say you trade it up to 200 grand, so a $100,000 profit. If you break one of the rules, everything's gone. If you didn't withdraw, because you're still trading with our, whether it's 100,000, now you're trading with our 200,000. You know what I'm saying? So, just make sure you withdraw and make sure you fucking map. Just don't risk it. Don't risk it. And also withdraw. Yeah, we'll yoink that shit quick, boy. No, there's no time limit. Although I have an account, I think I got an email where it's like, hey, you got to make any trade. It's been like 3 weeks or so, 2 weeks. And so you can just like boop, boop, put a little trade and boop, boop. No, there's no 30-day time limit or 1 week time limit. But I think after a couple weeks, you do get a notification where it's like, yo, and it could be just like a minimum, you know, it's just the smallest 0.01 or 0.05 you can do. So you can't just buy it and sit on it for a year. But yeah, there's no time limit. Yeah, how is BNB looking? You know, I think Binance is a must-have in any portfolio. If you do lose your account, can you put up the money again and try again? Yeah, as many times as you want. I think you even get a discount. The average person who gets funded takes them twice. They fail the first time, you know, for whatever reason. Maybe they're, you know, learning it or something. I have a video explaining the firm, bro. It's 30 minutes long. A lot of it I'm kind of on tangents and hype as fuck, but just go watch the video. Go to my channel, click on videos, and watch the video that says, we want you to trade with my money. In fact, let me see here. Let's see here. Boy, I tell you, these damn crypto companies, man. I just logged into one of my shitter emails that I sign up for a bunch of random shit with and just look at the spam. So many scams. My gosh. What was I doing? You know, that's why when people ask me, even like at the mall, whenever you buy something, and what's your email? It's like, dude, fuck off. God, it pisses me off. I hate it. And can I get your phone number and your email and your phone number? No, just here's my money. Can I have my product? You don't need my email. You don't need my phone number. You don't need shit from me. On the website, there's no info. What website? What, Breakout? Yeah, bro, the leaderboards aren't. That's coming soon, bro. Companies, we're only good, solid few months old. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know what you mean there's no info. There's plenty of fucking info. What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? What do you mean there's no info? Here. What do you mean there's no info, bro? What do you mean there's no info, man? What more info do you want? Listen, if you want a full video explanation, I've done that for you. I've done that for you. That's why I've been telling everyone, go watch the video. And then I have another video explaining all the simple, just the basic ways that you from go to start to finish and open a trade and close a trade. Very simple. Not complicated. Market cipher is a rubbish indicator. Well, I tell you what, rubber is fucking great. I mean, rubber changed the world. And, boy, I tell you what, you know, I mean, you know, these people seem to be doing just fine. Hey, baby, come on now. Come on now. Keep on going on. Keep on going on. Keep on going on. Come on. Damn, we shouldn't have taken profit. We shouldn't have taken profit. You know, listen, the long game, to be a consistent, safe trader, it is a road filled with regret. Filled with regret. And man, you just gotta fucking be like Teflon, man. You just gotta let it slide off. You're always gonna take profits too early, get in too late, miss things, or you missed the time where you weren't there when it was at the bottom, you didn't know. That's just how it goes, man. If you follow the rules and you trade responsibly, the road is filled with regrets. And I could have made more. I could have, should have, would have. Filled with coulda, shoulda, wouldas. Yeah, that's another thing when people say live life with no regrets. I mean, like maybe they're misunderstanding the word regret. Like a regret doesn't mean it's something I loathe about every day. But if you ask me, you know, is there anything you've done in the past you wish you didn't do? Or you wish you did do? Fuck yeah, I got a lot of regrets. I regret shit every day. Damn near. Fuck, I regret I could have done that better. Shit, I could have done that. I shouldn't have done that. Anyone who says they live life with no regrets is probably a slut. And not one of the good ones. One of the good ones. He was one of the good ones. He's one of the good ones. The 12-minute, does the 12-minute look that much different than the 10-minute? My lord, yes it does. Golly, boy, I tell you, it's crazy how just a random little time frame will look so much different. The 12-minute, huh? Who uses the 12-minute? Where'd you get that one from? Where'd you learn the 12-minute from? Who taught you that? That looks nice. Billy Casper. Well, yeah, okay, that makes sense. He uses the 24 minutes, so yeah, that makes the 24. You know, let's fuck it. Let's put the 24 on there, too. I feel like that's another time frame that probably looks the same as... Okay, here's the 25 minute. Oh, my gosh. There is no such thing, Yash. There's no such thing as the best time frame to trade on. It changes, it all depends, brother. It depends. There is no such thing as the best time frame to trade on. No such thing. The best time frame to trade on is a time frame that's backed up by a higher time frame trend. So if the 12 hour, the 6 hour, the daily's bullish, you know, then you look at the 15 minute, the 1 hour, the 30 minute, hell, fuck, even the 10 minute, even the 1 minute for entries. It depends, brother. And come on, girl. I regret taking $1 million off this trade. I regret it. I regret it. Yeah, no regrets. Oh, I fucking contracted hepatitis C. I got no regrets. Yeah, I would have done it all the same. Yeah, I jaywalked and lost my left leg. I have no regrets. I would have done it anyways. I love my peg leg. Damn, baby, we're at 58 threes. 58 threes. I'll be. I'll be. Man, we have so many terrific people here. We have so many terrific supporters, man. The fact that, you know, you guys are nice to me is so amazing. It's so easy to, you know, I don't know, hop on the bandwagon or not be on a bandwagon. You know, it's easy to hate on someone, you know, maybe who's doing something you're not or whatever, you know.
I was fucked up. To reflect on the... It's so difficult to reflect on the darkest times in your life, but sometimes you gotta do that. I was fucked up. I mean, I hit rock bottom, but I made no excuses. My behavior on that video is inexcusable. I take full responsibility for my actions in that video. I'm disgusted. I was disgusted then when I did it. I'm disgusted now.
Even he has regrets, you know. Even the diddler, the fiddler diddler has regrets. And he's a billionaire. He's a billionaire. Even he has regrets. You're telling me you don't have any regrets? Thanks, DJ. For sure, man. We got on that shit early, man. Got on that shit early, man. And now that, you know, Mike was always, you know, a shining star in my book. But, you know, we were there first. We were there first. Is anyone calling this a cup and handle yet? You know, I would say this looks more like a cup and handle than most quote-unquote cup and handles people try to say are cup and handles. Son of a bitch! Son of a bitch! God, I was being so funny. I can't say the same thing with the emphasis. But what I was saying, okay, was this looks more like a cup and handle than 90% of the other cup and handles out there. Every other time someone says it's a cup and handle, it goes, here's the cup and there's a little handle. Goes, okay, there's the handle. That was the skit, but it didn't sound as good as the first two times I did it. Oh well. It was a lot funnier the first time. I fed Cholino today, and I have never seen a hornworm get so big. Apparently it was in there for a long time. It ate all the food, and it was the size of my thumb. I was worried about even giving him to Cholino, but he got him down. He ate the damn thing. It was insane. It was insane. I got him some crickets, and I want to take Cholino for a walk. I want to put a little worm on my shoulder, have him crawl up my arm, and then take him for a dog walk. What, are the CPI numbers out already? You're telling me they're out already? that? Who is that? Who is that? Who that? Man, I think the days of playing World of Warcraft are done for. I'm rocking back and forth in my chair, and it's making a nice little, like, rocking chair kind of a sound. Man, imagine how that guys. Can I take long pick? Can I long pick one? Can I, just like, brother, take a cold shower, bro. Fucking put some ice in a bathtub and sit in it and cool off, bro. You gotta cool off, man. Cool down. Go on and cool down, bro. Cool down. The only trades you should take are ones that you cannot not take. Like long and 54,000. That was a trade I had to do. This trade, not so much. There should be no question. No question. And it's okay to have a little doubt and concern. That's natural. But there should be no question. Yeah, there's a long time until, you know, I gotta do shit today. I gotta keep putting off bringing the Beamer. The poor car is so fucked up right now. I haven't driven it. It needs air in the tires. It's dirty. It needs oil. And I just wake up too late. I'm just gonna drive there, drop the car off, and then call them and tell them I dropped the car off. Get to it whenever you can. For real. I think I want to play some video games. Been playing that Dirk and Dirker game with a couple homies. I kind of like it because it's not just like another shooting game like Tarkov or some shit where it's like and they're dead, you know, or Call of Duty where you do that stupid run slide. Call of Duty would be fine if they got rid of that stupid slide or made it so everyone can do it without being a seizuring fucking autist that's a professional. These guys on the streams just do that slide so easily, but in order for me to do it, it's like press left, up, down, control, left, up, down. Like, I don't want to be doing that shit nonstop. Just, if I hit run, I should be able to run and not have some little slide thing. There's that Ethereum pop y'all been calling for. Look at that. Boy, look at that. Y'all been saying this Ethereum. The hourly, look at the hourly momentum been tight. You know, I don't have a problem. The BMW isn't the problem. I'm the problem. It's got nothing wrong with it. It's just, it's fucking hot outside. And I don't drive much in the first place. And it's there. I literally saw a spider web on my tire the other day. And I'm like, God, jeez. And the tires are low. Yeah, they just jump slide into corner jump headshot. And it's like, what the fuck is this? Like, I'm at a disadvantage because I just want to run like a normal person. Fuck that. They got to get rid of that. They got to get rid of it. They got to get rid of it. That being said, I think we're going to call it here. We'll see what happens. I might exit this trade. I might not. I could be in it. I could be not. I'm going to go play some video games and chill for a little bit. And I don't know. Maybe you'll see me again. Maybe you won't. Until then, I hope I get to see you sooner than later, and hopefully this price pumps. I'm kind of salty because I shaved off a meal. I'm a little salty. I regret it. Man, fuck Mercedes, bro. Although I say, you know, listen, Mercedes, my girl's got a Mercedes. It's lovely. The Batmobile Mercedes are badass, but dude, Mercedes has so many gay cars, and a lot of interiors suck. There's like 1 out of 12, probably even more than that. Probably like 1 out of 20 Mercedes are cool. The rest are shit. Total shit. But to each his own. And thank you, folks. I'll see you guys later. God bless.